Cristiano Ronaldo, a name synonymous with excellence in the world of football, has carved a legacy that transcends the sport. From his humble beginnings on the small island of Madeira to becoming a global icon, Ronaldo's journey is a testament to relentless hard work, extraordinary talent, and an unyielding spirit. Early life and beginnings. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. Growing up in a modest family, Ronaldo's early life was marked by financial struggles. However, it was clear from a young age that he possessed an exceptional talent for football. His father, José Diniz Aveiro, worked as a kitman at a local club, Andorinha, where Ronaldo began his first steps into the world of football. By the age of 12, Ronaldo's prodigious skills had caught the attention of Sporting CP, one of Portugal's premier clubs. He moved to Lisbon, leaving his family behind to pursue his dream. At Sporting's famed academy, Ronaldo's talent blossomed, and he quickly moved through the ranks, making his first team debut at just 17. Rise to stardom. Ronaldo's breakthrough came in 2003 when he caught the eye of Sir Alex Ferguson during a friendly match between Sporting and Manchester United. Impressed by his dazzling skills and raw potential, Ferguson signed the young Portuguese winger for $12.24 million. This move marked the beginning of Ronaldo's meteoric rise to stardom. At Manchester United, Ronaldo evolved from a promising talent into one of the best players in the world. Under Ferguson's guidance, he honed his skills, adding consistency and physicality to his game. During his 6 years at Old Trafford, Ronaldo won 3 Premier League titles, a Champions League trophy, and numerous individual awards, including his first Ballon d'Or in 2008. Galactico era. In 2009, Ronaldo made a record-breaking transfer to Real Madrid for $80 million, becoming the most expensive player in history at the time. At the Santiago Bernabeu, Ronaldo's career reached new heights. He formed a formidable partnership with the likes of Karim Benzema, Luka Modric, and Sergio Ramos, leading Real Madrid to unprecedented success. During his 9-year stint in Madrid, Ronaldo won 4 Champions League titles, including 3 consecutive victories from 2016 to 2018. He also became Real Madrid's all-time top scorer, amassing an incredible 450 goals in 438 appearances. His time in Spain solidified his status as one of the greatest footballers ever, earning him 4 more Ballon d'Or awards. Return to Manchester and beyond. In 2018, Ronaldo embarked on a new challenge, signing with Italian giants Juventus. His impact in Serie A was immediate, helping the club secure 2 league titles and further demonstrating his ability to thrive in different leagues. Despite the challenges posed by age, Ronaldo's commitment to maintaining peak physical condition allowed him to remain at the top of his game. In August 2021, Ronaldo made a sensational return to Manchester United, bringing his journey full circle. His homecoming was met with immense excitement from fans worldwide, and he continued to break records and deliver match-winning performances. Off the pitch, beyond his exploits on the field, Ronaldo's influence extends to various aspects of life. Known for his philanthropy, he has donated millions to charitable causes, including hospitals, children's foundations, and disaster relief efforts. His dedication to fitness and healthy living has inspired countless individuals to lead healthier lifestyles. Ronaldo's personal life is equally noteworthy. He is a devoted father to his 4 children and maintains a close-knit relationship with his family. Despite the pressures of fame, he has managed to stay grounded, attributing his success to hard work, discipline, and an unwavering belief in his abilities. Legacy and impact. Cristiano Ronaldo's impact on football is immeasurable. His incredible goal-scoring record, versatility, and longevity have set new benchmarks in the sport. He has inspired a generation of players and fans, demonstrating that with talent, determination, and resilience, anything is possible. As he continues to defy expectations and push the boundaries of what is achievable, Ronaldo's story remains a source of inspiration for millions around the world. His journey from a small island to the pinnacle of football greatness is a testament to the power of dreams and the relentless pursuit of excellence.